Make a great choice today with the 2018 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power liftgate, power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, heated rear seats, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.